Today, I'm going to take you through the step-by-step process on how to change the anode rod in your RV's water heater. Now, a telltale sign the rod needs to be replaced is odorous or discolored water. And most manufacturers recommend inspecting your anode rod annually and replacing it when it's less than 75% of its original size. An anode rod is generally aluminum and by nature is meant to be sacrificial. If your water heater doesn't use an anode rod, it's because the tank is made of aluminum rather than steel. All right, let's get into the actual process. The first step is to obtain the proper OEM replacement rod by referring to your water heater owner's manual. Next, you'll need to drain your water heater by opening the pressure relief valve and removing the anode rod using a 1 1/16 inch socket. For step-by-step instructions on how to do this, I highly recommend watching our video on the topic, which shows you exactly how it's done. I'll put a link in the description and have a clickable link at the end of this video. Once drained, you'll want to inspect your current rod. If corroded, install a new anode rod and dispose of the old one. You'll want to use some Teflon tape on the threads of the new anode rod to prevent any leaks. Lastly, ensure your pressure relief valve is closed before turning on your water heater again. Now, if you still notice an unpleasant odor after properly rinsing your water heater and replacing the anode rod, then you may need to actually sanitize your water heater and freshwater system. I'll put that video for you here. And that's all there is to it, folks. As always, thanks for being part of the C-Dub Sub Club and ensuring you're the first to see brand new videos as soon as they publish.